This meditation will make your specific person have a burning desire to reach out to you. This is the perfect meditation to have your specific person overwhelmed by an irresistible urge to reach out to you. This meditation is designed to remove any barriers between you and your specific person, whether it's a text, call, or heartfelt message. They will be compelled to reach out and reconnect with you. Listen for 30 minutes a day for best results. Now let's begin. They are constantly thinking about being with me. They are drawn to me and can't resist the urge to contact me. I always experience long communication from them. They feel a deep need to connect with me and express their feelings. They miss me and are compelled to reach out to me right now. Every day, they feel more and more of an urge to talk to me. I am always on their mind and they can't wait to reach out to me. They feel a strong pull to reconnect with me and share their thoughts. They are excited and eager to communicate with me, wanting to hear my voice. They feel safe and comfortable reaching out to me at any time. They are making me a priority. They feel an unstoppable urge to talk to me right now. Type, they feel an unstoppable urge to talk to me now to affirm and claim. Listen to this meditation for at least 30 minutes for best results. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in this next meditation.